What's up, guys? We're back with another episode, but what I'm going to make today is going to be some baked potato casserole. So here's some of the ingredients. We got our potatoes, we got our casserole dish, we got some mixed veggies here, I got some sausage. You're going to see me cook a lot of sausage because this is a cheap protein. It's like $3 for that thing, and then we got some cheese. So I got this cheese dip because this is going to be a quick, easy alternative to shredded cheese, and it's going to marry this all together really well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the potatoes, boil them, and then put them in the casserole dish. That way that will speed the cooking time up. I wanted to bake them, but I'm home late. It's 5:30. We're going to speed this up. Okay, while the potatoes are cooking, I am cutting sausage. I'm only putting it in the casserole dish because I need room on my cutting board. We're going to cut this up. When we drain the potatoes, the sausage will go in the pot. I will saute it in butter, and then I'll saute the vegetables in once it starts browning, and we'll have the potatoes in the casserole dish in the oven, finishing baking. And then we'll start putting this together, and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, straining the potatoes, multitasking. So, because I put this here, I'm going to get our butter, bada bing, bada boom. I'm going to melt that down. Then we're going to put our meat in, saute our meat in that, put our potatoes in our casserole dish, stick it in the oven while this is sauteing. Potatoes go in and put a little butter in there. We're going to keep sauteing this down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my vegetables in here to kind of take on those flavors of this meat. And then we're going to make a cheese sauce in the pot with the vegetables and the meat. And I'll show you in a minute. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm going to marry all these flavors together and cook off some of those that moisture out of this before we make that cheese sauce. You can see we cooked this down. Sorry, I was grabbing my fork here. Cooked a lot of the moisture out of those vegetables, because when you steam them, they have a lot of moisture. We still got our butter and fat from the meat here. I'm going to go ahead and grab our cheese sauce. I'm just going to dump a little bit in the center here. Okay. Like that. And then we're going to take some milk and add to this, and I'll show you the consistency in just a moment. Okay, this is the consistency that we're going for. You want it to be a little liquidy, because whenever we put it on and we put it in the oven, we're going to bake that liquid off. So it's going to kind of thicken up anyway. Alright, this is what we end up with. So we get a nice layer of cheese, meat, and veggies. If you don't like these veggies, you can sub out like broccoli or whatever kind of veggies you like. So we got bubbles. This is what it looks like when it's finished. We're going to let this chill out. I'm going to plate it in just a minute and then serve it to the fam. But yeah. Alright, this is what it looks like. I kind of mix it up whenever I put in the bowls. This is baby bowls. So, yeah, I hope you guys liked it. But yeah, that's how I make it. Sometimes I make it with chicken and broccoli on top. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video. You guys sub. Come hang out with me on my other socials. That way you guys know when I upload new content. Come hang out with me on Twitch while I'm live streaming. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!